Hi, this is Novaton Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs North. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
What I think,
Yeah,
I want to, maybe I'm not saying each and everyone they have to do what the Sundowns,
yeah.
Sundowns the team.
Mm.
Sundowns the best team in Africa, not in South Africa.
Yeah, yeah,
My guy, what I'm going to tell you,
yeah,
Sundowns is going to rule South Africa as a whole, including Africa as a whole.
as a whole, yeah.
In 5 years' time, on 10 years' time. We don't talk about who got the big teams here.
Yeah,
Who got Pirates?
yeah.
Who got Kaiser Chiefs? That has a lot of fans,
Yeah.
but Sundowns we will always.
So I think you are only short supporters. Everything is fine. You just need to recruit and make sure that you come in numbers to the stadium because your team is winning.
My team is winning. You got 57,
yeah.
57 fans.
Yeah.
But
So you must
those guys-
recruit. Don't come to the stadium when it's free entry and all that. Yeah.
What we are going to do now,
Mm.
we're going to take all of these two teams.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates, Kaiser Chiefs. We're going to recruit them.
Yeah.
That they're going to join us. That 57 players
Will be
are going
100.
to join us. We're going to be 100.
Oh, thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thanks, man.